Hey guys, it's Rhain here and welcome back to a new episode of Do It Yourself or DIY about shirts and clothes that is life-saving, or should I call it space-saving hacks. In today's episode, I'm going to be trying out how to fold clothes correctly, and I'm sure that it can help us a lot in saving space or maximizing our space in our drawer or closet or wherever we put our clothes. Okay, but before moving on, for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rhain, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell button down there. That way you can stay updated when I post a new video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I'd like to know your thoughts in this video. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Again, thank you. Keep safe, God bless, and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!